In 2026, some cars aren't just great to drive, they're shockingly smart investments. Imagine buying a truck for $28,000 and selling it 3 years later for over $25,000. Or seeing a rugged SUV hold value simply because people can't get it anywhere else. From Toyota's resale dominance to a hybrid Ford that beats sedans on fuel economy, these are the cars that refuse to depreciate. 7. Toyota CHR. Coming in at number 7, we have the Toyota CHR. The CHR has always been a little bit of an underdog. It's got coupe-like styling, which means it turns heads, solid road manners, and a surprisingly generous list of standard features right out of the box. The engine is a bit sluggish, sure. Nobody's drag racing a CHR. But if you want something affordable, fuel-efficient, and backed by Toyota's legendary reliability, the CHR quietly delivers. Under the hood, the CHR uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing about 144 horsepower paired with a continuously variable transmission. Fuel economy sits around 27 miles per gallon in the city and 31 on the highway, which makes it very affordable to run daily. Buyers also love the high seating position, the bold, futuristic styling, and Toyota's Safety Sense technology that comes standard with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. And that reliability factor is actually the reason it keeps showing up on resale value lists year after year. A 2022 CHR that originally stickered around $27,000 is still fetching over $23,000 used today. That's 85% of its original value retained. For a subcompact crossover, that's genuinely impressive. Toyota built something here that people keep wanting, and that's the whole game when it comes to resale. But if you liked the CHR, the next one takes everything that makes it work and cranks it up a notch. 6. Honda Civic. The Civic doesn't need a long introduction. It's one of the most popular cars ever sold in America. And for good reason. Sharp handling, a roomy interior that somehow fits into a compact body, user-friendly tech, and a very reliable car. The Civic also offers multiple powertrains, including a 2.0-liter engine with 158 horsepower and a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine producing up to 180 horsepower. Combined with a lightweight chassis and precise steering, the Civic is one of the most enjoyable compact cars to drive. But what keeps the Civic on a resale value list in 2026 when there are newer competitors constantly nipping at its heels? It's simple. People trust it. A 2022 Civic that's stickered at around $26,000 is still selling used for over $23,000. That's 88% retained value. Honda built a reputation for durability over decades, and that reputation literally translates into dollars when you go to sell. Now, our next entry shares a lot of those same qualities, but it's bigger. 5. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross sits right between Toyota's subcompact CHR and the larger RAV4, which puts it in the sweet spot of just right sizing. It's comfortable, practical, loaded with standard features, and offers more cargo room and all-weather capability than a regular Corolla sedan. For buyers who want a compact SUV without spending RAV4 money, this one makes a lot of sense. The Corolla Cross comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 169 horsepower and offers all-wheel drive. Cargo capacity reaches about 26 cubic feet behind the rear seats, which is impressive for a compact SUV. Drivers appreciate how easy it is to live with. It is simple to park, extremely fuel efficient with up to 32 miles per gallon combined, and it includes Toyota Safety Sense driver assistant features across all trims. But here's what really makes the Corolla Cross a resale value champion: Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability. That brand trust keeps used buyers coming back, and it shows in the numbers. A 2022 Corolla Cross originally sold for about $28,000. 3 years later, used examples are moving for over $24,300. That's 87% retained value in a hotly contested segment where most competitors depreciate much faster. The Corolla Cross isn't the flashiest car on this list, but in terms of long-term value, it's one of the smartest buys out there. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. 4. Toyota 4Runner. Now we're talking about a completely different kind of vehicle. The 4Runner is a proper body-on-frame SUV, one of the very few left in its segment. It seats up to 7, it's available in a wide range of configurations, and it has earned a reputation for serious off-road capability alongside everyday durability. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter V6 engine producing about 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque, paired with a rugged ladder frame chassis and available four-wheel drive systems designed for real off-road environments. Owners love the 4Runner because it feels indestructible. It can tow around 5,000 pounds, handle rough trails, and still serve as a dependable daily driver for families who want adventure-ready capability. The 4Runner doesn't need to reinvent itself every few years. It just keeps doing what it does, and people keep buying it. Now our next entry has a very different kind of appeal, but it's managed to build that same kind of loyal following. 3. Toyota Tacoma. If there's one mid-sized truck that has defined the segment for the last 2 decades, it's the Tacoma. Durable, capable, and easy to live with on the road. The Tacoma offers multiple engine choices, including a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder and a strong 3.5-liter V6, producing up to 278 horsepower. It can tow around 6,800 pounds and comes with specialized off-road trims like the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro. But it's not just the versatility that makes the Tacoma hold its value so well. Truck buyers love the Tacoma for its legendary reliability, strong aftermarket support, and the ability to handle both daily commuting and serious outdoor adventures. A 2022 Tacoma that's stickered at $38,350 is still selling used for over $34,000. That's 89% retained value. In the truck world, that number is almost unheard of. We're now down to our top 2. And I'll be honest, the number 1 spot is going to shock some of you. 2. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Our number 2 is still in the Toyota family. The Corolla Cross Hybrid combines a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with electric motors to produce about 196 combined horsepower, while delivering excellent fuel economy of around 42 miles per gallon combined. Buyers love this hybrid because it offers SUV practicality with fuel efficiency that rivals many small sedans, making it one of the most cost-effective vehicles to own long-term. We've seen a lot of Toyota on this list, and that's not a coincidence. Toyota has spent decades building vehicles that last, and the used market keeps rewarding that reputation. When buyers know a brand holds up, they keep paying for it. But our top next car? That's a different story entirely. 1. Ford Maverick. Yes, a Ford. On a resale value list. That's also above Toyota. The Ford Maverick has been in short supply since it launched in 2022, and that supply constraint has done something fascinating to its resale value. So what makes a compact pickup from Ford worth more than almost anything else on this list 3 years after someone bought it? It comes down to 3 things. First, the price. The Maverick launched at around $28,000, which made it the most affordable new truck on the market. Second, the size. In a world where trucks keep getting bigger and harder to park, the Maverick fits in a standard parking spot. And third, the powertrain. The Maverick hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor producing 191 combined horsepower, while the optional EcoBoost turbo engine delivers up to 250 horsepower and strong towing capability of about 4,000 pounds when properly equipped. People love the Maverick because it's practical, efficient, and incredibly versatile. The truck bed includes smart storage features, tie-downs, and customizable accessories that make it useful for multiple occasions. A 2022 Maverick that originally sold for $28,237 is still fetching over $25,400 on the used market. That's 90% retained value. The number 1 resale value car is a hybrid Ford pickup that gets better fuel economy than most sedans. If that doesn't make you rethink what smart buying looks like, I don't know what will. So there you have it, the cars holding their value best in 2026. These aren't just good cars, they're smart investments. So if you were buying a car today purely based on what you get back when you sell it, which one of these would you choose? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you think differently about your next car purchase, don't forget to subscribe.